Hello everybody, this is M. Subbulakshmi, Assistant Professor, Department of Commerce, St.Josephs Arts and Science College for Women, Hosur. Volume analysis. Volume analysis is regarded as a very significant technical signal for a very straightforward reason. Large institutional traders like investment banks and fund managers, including manager of mutual funds or exchange traded funds, do the vast bulk of stock market buying and selling. So they will be buying shares in a higher volume, and volume analysis is useful for them to buy in such a volume. In layman view, if I want to explain you what is volume analysis is, how much shares are brought by investors or how much of shares is sold by people in the stock market is analyzed through volume analysis. And volume analysis help them to understand the volume, how much it was sold and how much it was brought by different buyers, in what basis they are buying such a volume. This is known as volume analysis. Why this volume analysis is important? We should know why volume analysis is important. It's important because high trading volume is produced when those investors make significant purchases. What is significant purchases? Is important purchases or sell of a stock, and it is this sort of a significant buying or selling by big investors that often moves a stock higher or lower. So high trading volume is produced when those investors are important purchases. When they purchase important shares or stocks, they will have to analyze how much volume they should purchase. So volume analysis helps in this aspect. Individual or other institutional traders thus keep an eye on volume statistics for signs of significant buying or selling activity by large institutions. And this data may be used to estimate the stock's future price movements or to pinpoint crucial price support and resistance levels. So individuals and other institutional traders thus keep an eye on volume statistics. This volume statistics is important aspect in share market politics, even though, because sometimes these institutions decide the price of the shares to some extent through volume analysis. So if they buy a lot, many shares may get increased or decrease. The price fluctuations will depend upon the volume analysis. So they have a keep their eyes very strong on volume analysis. In reality, a lot of individual investors base practically all of their purchases and selling choice on imitating the known behavior of the important institutional traders. There are two types of traders in a share market. One is institutional traders and other is individual traders. What this institutional traders do is that they will buy the shares in big volumes, and the individual traders or individual investors are forced to buy the shares according to the triggering of institutional traders. So volume analysis plays an important role in analyzing this aspect. So it's very important for the share market or people who invest in shares to understand the volume analysis. And here is a graph to show you the volume analysis. Volume measures the number of shares traded in a stock and contract trade in future or options. And these graphs show you in one day what is the price or what is the volume of shares purchased, in 5 days what is the volume, and 1 month what is the volume, and 6 months what is the volume, 1 year, 5 year, and maximum it goes on like that to understand this volume analysis. So this graphs very useful for the investors to analyze the volume, how the risk of investing in such kind of a shares. Components of charts. Charts plays a vital role in analyzing the share market price. When whatever analysis we use, charts are very useful for us. So open charts, what the price the stock was at when the market was open for a day, high or low, what is the price of the stock in the initial stage. This should be shown in a chart, and market capitalization should be represented in the chart, the total value of all companies stock owned by the shareholders. And PV ratio, share price of the company earnings, that is profit volume analysis or profit volume ratio. What is the share price to the company earnings will be analyzed in this. And 52-week high, the highest price in the stock has traded at 52 weeks, and 52-week low, the lowest price the stock has traded at the year, in that year. And dividend yield plays an important role. These are the components of stock chart. It should have those components. A year may be containing 52 weeks, and in which stock was very high and which stock was very low is analyzed in this components of stock market. Hope you understand something about volume analysis, and I'm happy I shared the maximum what I have known and learned. Thank you.